Hello guys, so we are going to discuss about exercise 8, which is respiration and breathing. Respiration is a process in which food are oxidized with oxygen in order to release energy. The released energy is utilized to perform various life activities. The metabolic waste like CO2 is eliminated from the body. Due to amphibious mode of life, toads shows different modes of respiration. The exchange of gases takes place in following four ways: gill respiration, cutaneous respiration, bucopharyngeal respiration, and pulmonary respiration. Gill respiration. In tadpole condition, such type of respiration takes place through 4 to 5 pairs of gills. The gills are distributed with blood vessels and absorb oxygen through diffusion. The oxygen combines with hemoglobin and blood and forms oxyhemoglobin, which goes to tissue. Bucopharyngeal respiration. The membrane of buccal cavity and pharynx of toad is very thin and there are innumerable capillaries. When air enters in buccal cavity, oxygen gets into the blood of the capillaries by diffusion. This oxygenated blood flows to different parts of the body through heart and at one stage takes part in the oxidation of food inside the cell. The carbon dioxide produced as a result of oxidation of food comes out through diffusion. The toad respires this way generally during rest. Cutaneous respiration. This type of respiration takes place through the skin. The skin of a toad is very thin and enriched with blood capillaries. The skin of toad contains a large number of mucous glands. Mucus is discharged from these glands. As a result, the skin remains moist. For this reason, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place through skin easily in the process of diffusion. During hibernation, the toad respires by this process. Pulmonary respiration. Lungs are the main respiratory organs of the toads. The toad has a pair of lungs. The lungs are pink-colored hollow sacs. Each lung is formed of innumerable smaller chambers like balloons. Each of these balloon-like chambers is called air sac or alveolus. Its wall is enriched with blood vessels. When the lungs expand in the air sacs become filled with air. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through the air sacs. The fine air tubes with which the air sacs remain connected are called bronchioles. The two tubes which are formed one on each side by joining all of the bronchioles of each lung are called bronchus. Right and left bronchi meet together and form a small trachea. Trachea and larynx or voice apparatus together form the laryngotracheal chamber. The lungs of each side joining with the larynx and glottis open through the nasal aperture. The adult and active living toad respires through pulmonary respiration. The pulmonary respiration is actually external respiration. Okay guys, so here is the part and function table for the larynx, glottis, vocal cords, lungs, visceral pleura, alveoli, and bronchi.
So
Thanks
rolling,
for
not a stop.
watching.
Watch, shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot. Hey, give me my respect.